back to my channel. It's me, your girl NCP, yet here with another video. And in this video, I've created a very simple, regular glow up look. You can wear this running your errands, grocery shopping, online Zoom classes, or even getting a vaccine shot. Yes, you heard me right. So before we start, or before we begin with the video, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like. Please subscribe, comment down below, push the notification bell, and share if you can. It will really help me, and it does help me a lot. Thank you if you're doing so. And if you're not doing so, you better. Yeah, it's a lovely request, you know, you better. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So today I'm going to do a quite regular look, a quick glow up. So we're using a Dermacol, and that's it. The reason why I'm using Dermacol is that it kind of like, you know, it works good. I find it better than most of the foundations because it tends to stay longer, and it's waterproof. You know, it's just good. I just love it. So I have in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And what I've realized is, like, once I'm in scorching heat in Siliguri during the summertime, I didn't want to wear foundation because it would like just go off, and I didn't wear sunscreen because even that thing was melting off. It was like, Siliguri tends to get very hot and very humid, so I just decided to apply Dermacol, and I did, and I did not regret a bit. It was good. It was the best decision of my life. So what I suggest people is that if you apply Dermacol, like if you're going out, like you don't want to do too much glam and just want a pretty simple glow up, or just like you want to look cute, or you just want to make sure that your makeup is like intact for hours and hours and hours, so it's pro. Girl, I tell you, Dermacol is to go for. With this, I'm not using any concealer. If you want to use concealer, you can definitely use concealer, but make sure you apply the concealer before you apply Dermacol, and just let it dry. Okay? I might look white as a ghost, but we will fill some color in this canvas later on. But this is what we want, right? We would like looking fair Asians. So as you can see, it looks very natural. Like it has the glow, definitely, but it looks very natural. Like I still have my spots on my melasma, or you just see my freckles here. Okay, you can see it, but like, it doesn't look that disgusting. Trust me. Now I didn't want to cover it because I just wanted to go for a natural glow up look. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use a blusher, and right now I'm just using Revlon because I have to finish this. It's about to get expired, and I just don't want to let it go by waste. Just gonna take the butt of this beauty blender, rubbing this blush powder. Smile. I don't want to put it out there. From here to here, and from here to here. Just gonna end up with till my temple areas. Okay, and we're just gonna brush it. And after using the blusher, I'm gonna contour my face Not exactly the whole face, but like I'm gonna contour my cheekbones. Not much, a little bit. Okay, so done. I'm not gonna do anything with my forehead, nothing like that. So on to with the eyebrows. Okay, first of all, I think should I just draw it? I think I keep forgetting things. Just hold on. I wasn't even recording. What the hell is wrong with me? So I was telling, like, you know, it's up to you ladies, like if you wanna contour your nose or not. It's totally up to you, because like I have to, because I have a very blunt nose. You can see this. This is it. So done with my nose. Now onto with the brows. I have this Genius Kit. And I am not gonna brush it today, so I'm just gonna draw a line here. This. Okay. With my eyebrows, let's do something with my eyes, right? So I'm gonna use this pencil. Just gonna let it dry. Don't use the mascara, which I'm gonna use is by Maybelline. It's the Falsies Push Up Drama. It's waterproof. It is. I have to use the whole lot of Vaseline treatment gel to take it off. It's super short, like doesn't make any difference. So what I want to do next is apply a little bit of eyeshadow here on the lid of my eyes, just to give it a little shine. Not much, but a less one. Let's get on with the lips. And what I'm gonna use is very simple. Either you can use a lipstick or anything, but I'm gonna use this Magic Candy Lip Tint Moisture and Glow by PONI MINISO, and it's in the shade Strawberry Flavor 02. Just give it a zoom. Okay. And then I'm gonna use this lip moisturizing liquid lipstick by MINISO as well. So now just to give a little bit tint on my cheeks. Otherwise, you can use any color or any other lip tint that you have, or cheek or lip stains that you have, just to give it a glow. Okay. So it totally depends upon you if you guys want to highlight or not. So I've already highlighted. I've highlighted this area, this area, this area. I'm just highlighting my brows now. The reason why I didn't film it is because, like, I thought I was pressing record, but the thing was not recording at all. So I'm something strange has been happening around me the past few days. Like, I don't know if I'm watching too much supernatural or paranormal activities. Not in case all the movies I'm talking about. It is just insane. Okay, now on with my eyelashes. So this is it. This is the look. It's quite simple. Like I told you, you can like obviously wear it on, like if you're going to school, you're going to college, you're just going around running your errands. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching and see you until the next video. Bye.